guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. We are on the second week of this ad cycle and thank you all for joining me once again. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also check out the Google Doc I leave in the description box in case you need to take it to the store. The first deal I have here is just a kids deal, and that's on the Be Cool Kids soft gel sheets. They're on the deal of buy one get two back, limit of one per week, and they are priced at $6.99. Pick up one, pay $6.99 and get $2 back, making it just $4.99. My next deal is buy two get $5 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics, limit of one per week. Pick up two CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $5.79 each. And both will total $11.58, and you can actually do this deal all digital. We have a $5 off CoverGirl digital coupon and a $2 coupon we received last week if you have not used yours. We also have another $3 CoverGirl CRT. That will take off $10 and you pay just $1.58 and get 5 back, making them free and $3.42 money maker. Other easy deals you can pick up this week will be on the makeup gift sets. The ones priced at $5.99. They're on the deal of buy one get 4 back. Pick up one, pay $5.99 and get $4 back, making it just $1.99. If you prefer the ones priced at $9.99, they're on the deal of buy one get $7 back. Pick up one, pay $9.99 and get 7 back, making it just $2.99 only. The next item I have here can make a very good filler item if you don't want to do the whole deal, and that will be on L'Oreal Facial Care. They're on the deal of spend 30 get 10 back. Pick up the toner price at $8.69. We have a $5 CRT everybody received. That will make it just $3.69, and this will make a very good filler item if you have a 10 of 70. Another item that will also be a good filler item is the CVS brand makeup remover wipes on sale for just $2.99. The next one I have will be the CVS Bath Proof on sale for $1.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on select Crest toothpaste. Pick up the Crest enamel or gum repair toothpaste on sale for $8.99 and pick up Crest Brilliance on sale for $8.99. I'm showing these two because we have two different coupons for them. Make sure you're scanning the products in the store, that way you don't make a mistake. And they will total $17.98. Use a $4 coupon in our app for the gum repair and a $4 off for the Crest Brilliance. And that will take off $8 and drop it down to $9.98 and you get 5 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on Colgate Total Oral Care, and I'll show you two ways to do this deal. The first is to pick up the toothpaste priced at $5.59. As you can see, my store don't have any left, but this will be a better deal than the ones priced at $6.29. If you can find two of the ones priced at $5.59, this will be your breakdown. Both will total $11.18. We have a 4 off 2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $7.18 and you get 5 back, making them just $2.18 or $1.09 each. Another way you can do this deal is by picking up 2 baby toothbrushes. They are priced at $5.79 and both will total $11.58. The 4 off 2 Colgate coupon is not attaching to these products. That means you pay the $11.58 and you get 5 back, making them just $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal I have is buy 3 get $3 back on select Crest toothpaste or Oral-B toothbrushes. They're on sale for $3.99. Pick up 3 and they will total $11.97. We have a $2 off digital coupon and we also have a 4 off 2 Crest digital coupon. If you didn't use yours last week, it will also apply to this deal. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and drop it down to $5.97 and you get 3 back, making them just $2.97 or 99 cents each. If you don't want to pick up the toothpaste, you can pick up 3 toothbrushes on sale for $3.99 and they will total $11.97. We have a 2 off Oral-B coupon in our app and it will double dip with a 4 off 2 coupon, dropping it down to $5.97 and you get 3 back, making them just $2.97 or 99 cents each. My next deal is on Scope 1 liter mouthwash. They're on sale for $4.99 and they are part of buy one get three back, limit of 2. Pick up 2 and both will total $9.98. Use the $1 off coupon in our app, which will double dip with the 4 off 2. This is just one 4 off 2 that I've been mentioning with these 3 deals. You just have to pick whichever one works best for you. The 2 coupons will take off 5 and drop it down to $4.98 and you get 6 back because you're doing this deal twice. That will end up making them free and $1.02 moneymaker. My next deal is on Vaseline lotion. The on spend 15 get 4 back. Pick up the 20.3 ounce lotion priced at $9.29 and pick up the 10 ounce lotion priced at $6.29 and both will total $15.58. Check your Unilever email. You can print out 2 coupons, 2 $1 coupons, one for each one. The 2 coupons will take off $2 and drop it down to $13.58 and you get 4 back, making them just $9.58 or $4.79 each. My next deal is on OGX Hair Care. They are part of the buy 2 get 4 back and they're on sale for $6.99 each. Pick up 3 and they will total $20.97. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon and I also have a $2 Pili coupon for the 3rd item. I have a 5 off 20 OGX CRT. The 2 coupons on the CRT will take off $13 and drop it down to $7.97 and you get 4 back, making them just $3.97 or $1.32 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on raw sugar products. Pick up 2 of the Kids Detangler priced at $5.59 each and both will total $11.18. We don't have any coupon, so pay the $11.18 and get 5 back, making them just $6.18 or $3.09 each. The next deal I have is buy 1 get $3 back and Vagisil wipes is part of this deal. They are priced at $5.99. Pick up 1, pay $5.99 and get 3 back, making it just $2.99. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 5 back on any Glade, Windex or scrubbing bubbles. Pick up 4 Glade air freshener priced at $3.79 each and they will total $15.16. I scanned this product in the app and we don't have any coupon coming up. Pay $15.16 and you get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 on each spray and it's a limit of 5. That means you get back $6 from Ibotta. After the Ibotta rebate and the extra care box, these 4 will end up costing just $4.16 or $1.04 each. The next deal I have is on 100 ounce Persil detergent. They're on sale for $13.99 and when you buy 1, you get $4 back. Pick up 1, pay $13.99 and you get $4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. That will end up making it just $7.99. The next deal I have will be on Purex detergent. They're on sale for $9.99 and when you buy 1, you get $4 back. Pick up 1, pay $9.99 and you get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $3.99. The next deal I have is spend 30 get $10 back. Pick up the 120 count bounce dryer sheet on sale for $6.99 and the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99 and the last item for this deal will be the Tide pods on sale for $12.99. These 3 will total $32.97. And this is an all digital deal. Every coupon you need, we have it in our app. We have $1.50 for the bounce, $3 off for the Tide detergent, and $3 off for the Tide pod. That will take off $7.50 and drop it down to $25.47 and you get 10 back, making them just $15.47 or $5.16 each. My next deal is on Oreo cookies. They're on sale for $2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $8 and you get $2 back, making them just $6 or $3 each. The last item I have in this video that will also make a very good filler items or you can just pick it up if you need it is the small Danish style cookies. They are priced at $1.99 and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 just $1. Pick up 2 and they will total $2.98. Pay that, and that will make each container just $1.49. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.